Some cars are built to get you from A to B. This is built to make every journey unforgettable. The Range Rover SVR leaves the factory as one of the world's most capable performance SUVs. Our job isn't to reinvent it, it's to refine it. A carefully engineered package of performance upgrades, every modification working together with a single purpose, to unlock its full potential. More performance, more response, more theatre. This is the beginning of something exceptional. Well, as people will probably know from the other projects we've worked on with our Predator and then Predator 2 with the Harrop TVS2300 on, we like to push the boundaries for these vehicles, the JLR platform, to really unlock that full true potential. And being the first in the world to do that for the Range Rover SVR, it just screamed out to me, this is something we want to be involved with, and we want to continue to push the boundaries of the engine's performance and capability safely and for the market for these vehicles. More upgrades, more power, more fun for everyone. Well, the advantage of using a rolling road, such as the Mustang MD500 we have here, is to make sure that the car is in a good, fit state of health before we perform any performance tuning or upgrades to the vehicle. So it's not just about monitoring the horsepower and the torque output of the vehicle, but it's also checking the logs from the engine. So temperatures, pressures, spark angle, looking for any knock or detonation or anything that would give a warning sign that there's a weak or failing component in the drivetrain. We want to make sure this car is spot on, perfectly healthy before we start extracting additional power from the engine. I think for me, what makes me proud of it is the work that the team have put into this, the development time that's gone into this, and the final product that we have behind. This is the first in the world Range Rover SVR that's got a Harrop TVS2300 on there, pushing over 700 horsepower. This is a big car, and now it has the power and torque numbers behind it to match the size of presence it has on the road. For us, the ideal result is the customer gets in the car and they're absolutely blown away with all that huge power and torque. It's the first SVR that's got the TVS2300 on it for the Range Rover platform, but it should still start and drive on a daily basis like a Range Rover SVR. Still take it to the shops, do a school run, commute to work, and then when they want to leave every single supercar behind them in their dust, just gently press that right foot and that smooth power and torque is delivered from all of those upgrades we put onto the car. That's the ideal result for us. On a dyno run to us, it's important to ensure that the car is healthy before we carry out any tuning work. Whether it's in for just dyno run for power numbers or for something like this with the Range Rover SVR where we're benchmarking the vehicle before we tune and put all the upgrades on, we want to make sure the car is good and fit and healthy. All the temperatures are in place, they're running where they should do, no overheating. We've got correct AFRs, so that's our lambda readings, we've got the right fuel and air mixtures, and the engine overall is healthy. So things like timing, boost pressure, watching out for knock, detonation, all of those things are important to us to make sure that we are tuning on a good, strong and solid platform to begin with. The Harrop Supercharger is a completely bespoke charger for this vehicle. This isn't about a different size pulley or spinning the standard components faster. This is a brand new cast charger with up to 20% more airflow, stronger bearings in there, better flow rates through the actual system itself, and overall upgraded in every area. Harrop looked at the standard Eaton 1900 TVS charger and looked at all the ways they could improve it, not just a bigger gear set, but overall. Well, with a package like this, the world's first Range Rover SVR with the Harrop TVS2300 installed, we're obviously putting more air into the engine. All of that extra air helps us create a bigger combustion, which generates more power and torque, which is brilliant for the driver and for the engine, but of course, fresh air in, bigger combustion, we need to get that waste gas out just as quickly as we get that fresh air in. So the high flow EC certified 200 cell cats enable us to get the air out efficiently and effectively without causing any adverse heat buildup. So actually we can run the exhaust gas temperatures slightly cooler than the stock engine, which of course cooler temperatures on an engine helps longevity and helps the performance overall. When buying an air intake system, it's important to look beyond the noise that the system makes. Of course, we want to hear a supercharger whine. That sound from the V8 engine in these SVRs is truly unique when we've got our induction kit on there. But it's important that you don't just buy an off-the-shelf generic system. Whichever one you go for, make sure it's got high quality components in there. You're looking for things like silicon pipework that's been 3D modeled and scanned and flow tested. It's very easy to get some tube and just connect it together and say you've made an intake, but actually 3D modeling, CAD flowing, and actually flow testing the system is important to make sure you are adding to the engine, improving the airflow, and not restricting the engine, making the intakes hot, but you've added some sound. So it's not just about sound, it's that flow rate and that thermal management as well are key. With the development of this Harrop TVS2300 on the Range Rover SVR behind, the world's first, this enables us now to offer this package and solution to our customers all over the world. This is literally a mail order package that you can have any local garage or tuning professional workshop install onto your vehicle. And with our handheld home tuning devices, you can download the data and send to our technical team who can upload the required calibration for your vehicle back to your unit for you. This enables you to tune your car anywhere in the world and participate in any of the ranges of upgrades that we've got. Whether you're looking at just an intake system, full-blown performance tune, upper pulley, lower pulley, or you really want to get the full potential of the engine with a Harrop TVS2300 upgrade, high flow sports cats, and a range of upgrades to the vehicle in terms of cooler pumps and more, then this kit is available for you now via mail order.